see one of these days, one of these days, one of these days, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna view that holy city, view that holy city, view that holy city. One of these days, one of these days, gonna view that holy city, view that holy city. When I'm gonna be Jesus, just view that holy city. When I'm gonna be alone, you know that I'm gonna be there. You know that I'll be there. You know that I'm gonna be there. And I'm gonna be there. You know that I'm gonna sit at the broken table. You know that I'm gonna sit at the broken table. One of these days, oh, I'm gonna sit at the broken table. Jesus, bow down, one of these days. Oh, come with me to that holy city. I said, come with me. Oh, we're gonna feast. Oh, I'm gonna feast on milk and honey. I'm gonna feast on milk and honey. One of these days, feast on milk and honey. I'm gonna feast on milk and honey. I'm gonna feast on milk and honey. I'm gonna feast on milk and honey. One of these days, I'm gonna feast on milk and honey. I'm gonna sit at the welcome table. I'm gonna view that holy city. One of these days, it's incredible wonder. I'm gonna see my Jesus, gonna be there soon. You know that I'm gonna be baptized in Jesus. You know that I'm gonna be baptized in Jesus one of these days. I'm gonna be baptized in Jesus. Gonna be that holy city. I said I'm the welcome table. I'm gonna be milk and honey. I'm gonna be my life with Jesus one of these days. View that holy city, sit at the welcome table, feast on milk and honey. But the very best thing that could happen to me, I'm gonna meet my loving Jesus. See my beautiful Savior. I'm gonna meet my loving Jesus. One of these days, one of these days.